Let's get rolling. With remote control parking, when you have Mini Parking Assistant Professional, you can park your Mini while standing outside using the Mini app on your phone. First things first, make sure Mini Digital Key Plus is active on your mobile device. Oh, and don't forget, Bluetooth needs to be on. Cruising past parked cars at low speed, your Mini is already scanning for parking spaces like a pro. Just press the Parking Assistant button in the center console to jump into parking view. Spotted a parking space? It'll show up after you've passed it completely. Now the fun part. The display will suggest parking spaces and maneuvers for you. Take your pick and tap on the control display to unleash the automatic parking assistant. Got a tight squeeze? No problem. To park remotely, say in those tricky, narrow spots, press the brake, engage the parking brake. Tap Parking with Mini app and step out of the car like a boss. Open the Mini app and tap Remote Control Parking. You can pick your parking maneuver and the direction right there. Safety check. To confirm you're in control, tilt your phone forward and back to match the targets on the screen. Ready to roll? Press and hold the blue parking button. Watch as your Mini glides into the parking space like magic. Heads up, keep an eye on the maneuver. It's teamwork. Top View gives you a close-up of the parking assistant sensors. Release the blue button anytime and your Mini stops. Press and hold again to keep going. The app will let you know when your Mini nails the perfect parking position. Done? Tap Finish, turn off your Mini and lock it up. Be sure to check out the rest of our how-to series to unlock even more Mini magic.